First open Start and type Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall. Select Turn off Windows Firewall. Press OK. Now run Steam. If you didn't use Windows Firewall, then disable your antivirus. If that didn't work, first open Steam. Click on Steam. Click on Setting. Click on Download. Click on Clear Download Cache. Now log back and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open your Windows Firewall again. Click on Restore Default. Click on Restore Default. Now right-click your Steam and select Run as Administration. Now try to update or download your game.